There weren't many in the first one either.
Yeah.
You got a box on? Come on though, bro. They've all told me to. I know.
But you need to put right magnifying the glass to find it.
No, it was the thing. So Jamie and Barry, right? I was doing a briefing on heli, and I was halfway through the briefing, and then they lined up together, counted down. They counted down, right? And then they shot at the same time. Barry's hit my chest, and then Jamie's hit my cock. While I was mid-briefing at the exact same time, I just fell over and started like.
A few months back with my nephew up heli, he was near one of the top building. I shot him right in the nuts with 3-2s.
You owe him a shot. When I hit you in the nuts over on trenches, it was him that shot you in the arse when you curled over.
No.
Yeah, it was.
He does have 1,000 round
It was. I shot him in the nuts, and then he curled over and you shot him in the arse.
I probably didn't realise it's him.
Oh yes, you did.
I shot a lot of people.
Oh, Alex and Michael is still there. So that's 22.
Yeah.
22. Okay, guys, as there's so few of you, you get a choice, okay? We can either play a team-based game on this one, or you can do zombies.
Team base.
Let's do hands up for zombies. Hands up for the team game. Alright, looks like we're doing team. Okay, so if you have a green armband, if you can stand over there. Yellow's over there, and if you don't have one, in the middle. Yellow's that side, green's that side, everybody else in the middle if you've not got one.
Where's your armband? Where's your armband?
Got one, yeah. Okay, tell me how many yellows have I got over there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Well, there seems to be only yellows left with armband.
Ah! These on.
It sounds like it would.
It sounds it, but
There's
it's not.
another 2 yellows in base camp, so give them all green. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Have you got it yet?
Yeah. Very much.
Oh, you should just. You think? Oh, you fixed that?
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
Just a screen protector. That's what it was.
Okay.
Starting to think that we're on a good team.
Is he only under 18? Oh.
Ow! Who's that?
Where did everyone go for my nuts?
I was going to say, was that a nut shot that first one?
It's all we can see, mate.
He got me good last week.
Now you've got 2 choices again. You can either have 3 lives, 2 respawns, or we can do a deathmatch.
Deathmatch.
Do all out war.
Domination.
Game on!
Deathmatch. Oh!
I believe the term is man down.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Right. There you go. One team can start the blue rack trees at the top, other team can start the blue rack trees at the opposite end. Deathmatch, you've got your boundaries, you've got your netted wall all the way up. Net continues along the car park, and there's orange stick markers and those white rack trees. That's the boundary along that side, okay? Please try not to shoot into each other's respawns. If you push up, just keep an eye on how far you're pushing up, because if you are shooting them in respawn, people are going to complain, okay? No, I still have under 18s here, so no, sadly, it'll be semi only for this whole game, okay?
What game modes are in it?
Deathmatch. Back that out, yeah? Right, I have greens up the top, yellows up the other end for me.
Get the flag out.
That's payback. That was like that as well.
Top corner up there.
Yeah.
Blue wrap trees up the top here.
I'm starting to wish I had my AR still. I just hide in the bush the whole game.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking
I only have this and a
shoot that
knife.
shit out of people.
I'm not gonna lie.
Don't get me wrong, this is gonna be cool.
I'd like to keep it that way, but
This is what I just come to airsoft for.
For the laugh.
your thing.
Are your balls okay?
I didn't hit my ball, it just hit there.
Team deathmatch. Yeah.
This goes down, I got 50. No.
Alright then guys, here we go.
Game starts in 3, 2, 1. Game start!
I haven't flied,
How many lives is it?
You're dead, mate.
Oh, fucking friendly! I just finally executed him!
Well, the only player in this game, at least you might be putting the gun right in my cheek. You say, yeah, call it. He said, yeah, I got guys.
I didn't think this through.
There's a guy down there behind the building. Oh, is it you that has that huge... Is that semi-locked?
No. That's the other one I got.
Give him a taste of good medicine.
Two.